So guys, we finally have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and in this video, I'm unboxing it to show you what's inside. I've already opened it once, but I'm doing it again to show you what's inside. So, we get the Z Fold 7 itself. Here's another package. The SIM ejector tool, the standard C2C charging cable, and the paperwork. I'll be honest, this is the first foldable device I've owned. And it's not like I haven't tried them before, but for me they weren't really practical until the Z Fold 7. The moment you pick it up, the weight distribution feels so much better than previous generations. It only weighs 219 grams and as you can see, it is noticeably slimmer when folded. And once you unfold it, it feels so slick yet so premium. No doubt, it has the best form factor out of all the devices I've used till now. And that's including the S25 Ultra, 17 Pro Max, iPhone Air and the S25 Edge. So on the bottom, it has a speaker port on the left side and a Type-C charging port on the right side. And the Type-C port barely fits in there. So that should give you an idea of how slim this thing is. On the right side, it has the volume rocker and the power button which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. And on the top, it has a SIM tray with dual physical SIM support and another speaker. So it has proper stereo speakers. So now I'm turning on the device. Okay, so now that the device is on, you can see Samsung has also improved the crease visibility. I mean, it's still there, but you barely notice it. And it is much less noticeable during the actual usage. The matte finish on the back feels very premium, more so than any other flagship available on the market. So all three displays are dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with a 120Hz refresh rate. Camera wise, it offers a triple camera setup on the back, a 200 megapixel wide angle camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 10 megapixel telephoto camera. It also has two 10 megapixel selfie cameras, one on the main display and on the cover screen. So that was my first impressions of the Z Fold 7. It definitely feels like the most refined foldable yet. I'll be posting a full review after using it extensively, so subscribe to stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.